Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to jump start your Ford Transit 250. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection and gloves to protect yourself. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and are not touching each other. Also, inspect your jumper cables for any damage or fraying to ensure a safe connection. Your Ford Transit's battery is under the driver's seat, but the jump points are conveniently located under the hood. Now let's connect the cables correctly. First, take one red positive cable clamp and attach it to the positive jump point on your Ford Transit 250. This point is usually under a red cap near the fuse box. Next, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to a solid, unpainted metal part of your Transit's engine or chassis, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to power up. Start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. You can gently press the accelerator to keep its engine speed between 2,000 and 3,000 revolutions per minute. After this, try to start your Ford Transit 250. Crank the engine for no more than 10 seconds. If it doesn't start on the first try, wait for about 1 minute before attempting to start it again. Congratulations, your Transit is running. Now, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal ground point on your Ford Transit. Next, disconnect the black negative cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Then, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, disconnect the red positive cable from your Ford Transit's jump point. Allow your Transit to idle for at least 15 minutes to help recharge its battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.